In most forms of electric transport, power is supplied by the overhead catenary system, also known as the overhead contact line, to the pantograph of the locomotive. This catenary system generally consists of three parts: messenger wire, droppers, and contact wire. And these three separate components are connected using dropper clamps. Traditional structures use catenary dropper clamps with thimbles that have a number of separate parts, with installation requiring many tools. This design has made the installation process difficult and time-consuming, and the presence of a thimble in these clamps made their installation require extra dropper wire and cable lugs for a current-proof and spark-free connection to the dropper. KRUCH Railway Innovations, with more than 150 years of experience in the field of developing and producing innovative solutions for electric transportation networks, has, with the launch of the KRUCH HKL-02 in 2001, introduced a unique solution to optimize the structure, which is simpler, faster and more accurate, and has completely transformed the installation and commissioning of overhead catenary systems. It features a one-piece design that distributes pressure on the dropper wire evenly and is fitted without the need for presses or crimping tools. The clamps are produced in different sizes to match the diameter of the dropper wire used. This innovative design makes installation of the clamps much more manageable, as it can be achieved with only one tool. For this reason, installation time can be reduced to as little as a quarter of that required for traditional clamp systems. This new solution has also greatly reduced the number of required components, making it more sustainable and cost-effective. In addition, by simplifying the installation process and reducing both installation time and material consumption, a significant reduction in installation costs is achieved. Another advantage of this system is that the same clamps are used for both messenger and contact wires, and even more importantly, that these clamps are adjustable. The dropper's length can be quickly adapted by adjusting the wire position inside the clamp. This makes it easy to achieve high-quality installations of contact lines, ensuring the smooth operation of the pantograph. Each clamp can hold more than 300 kilograms and has a lifespan of more than 6 million load cycles, which is significantly higher than the standard value. These advantages make HKL-02 clamps ideal for optimizing electric transport networks. More than 1 million KRUCH HKL-02 droppers have been installed in over 10 countries. KRUCH droppers can help railways to significantly reduce installation costs and improve the quality of overhead contact lines and their force interaction with pantographs. What droppers are you using in your country?